the goal today is just to grind whatever left. So basically kind of the top here, the sides of it, we're going to cut this out on both sides, so we can have stringers, bulkheads, and knees in there. But I'll grind this today. I'm going to try to get as much as I can on the bow, and then hopefully I can accomplish all of that. So we're still trying to make a decision on cutting out the deck. I'm pretty sure I want to cut out the deck. So I will just get to grinding here. No need to see me doing that, because but we'll come back and see how far we got today, and hopefully can make some progress. All right, so that concludes day 2 of grinding. And so tips for today, I would say full face mask. On the first day I was grinding, I only had half face mask, and I actually didn't have anything on my eyes, which was silly. It was pretty stupid of me to do. But yeah, definitely have a full face mask. Get a rag. I mean, it's going to get blurry. Just get a dry rag to just wipe it off, and it actually does pretty well. The other thing too is that put something in your ears if you're grinding. What I found is that my ears were ringing after grinding for a little bit, so even if you just took something like a paper towel and just shoved it in your ears, that actually helps quite a bit. But let me kind of show you what I was able to do. I'm sorry if you can't hear it. Here's another breezy day. All right, so we got the top of this piece here, the sides all the way down on either side. Then we also tackled the bow, right? So, or I keep saying we. So I tackled the bow here. Just got all that sanded down. The spots that I left so far are the spots that we're probably going to end up cutting. So I don't want to go, obviously not going to go crazy there. So you have this portion here, the deck, and this back portion that we're likely going to end up cutting out. But again, the idea behind just getting everything on the gel coat right down is because I want to put a laser level and just mark my lines. So I think we're almost there. The next step is I'm going to probably just grind a little bit more, just get kind of the finishing touches on all those little areas. I'm not going to go over the rail at all, because we're going to cut that off. But all the little corners, I have a little handheld belt sander. I might put a grinder or the belt sander on this, depending on how, we'll see. We'll see if it goes grinder or a belt sander. But yeah, so just like areas like that, I'll get with the belt sander. So that might just be tomorrow. So we're cruising. We're getting there. All right, well, I appreciate everybody who's joining here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, provide in the comments anything that you see that I could do differently, or maybe certainly do better, right? Love trying that stuff out, seeing what works, what doesn't. But yeah, so follow me on Instagram, out to see NY, and yeah, so we'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody.